The world of finance is changing. We're moving from physical money to digital money. This new digital world needs new tools to keep our assets safe. Crypto wallets are essential tools in this new landscape. Think of crypto wallets like your bank account for digital currencies. Just like you need a bank account to store and manage your money, you need a crypto wallet to store and manage your cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others offer exciting possibilities for investment and financial freedom. However, with this new technology comes new responsibilities. Understanding how to use and secure your crypto wallet is crucial for participating in the digital economy. This essay will guide you through the basics of crypto wallets, how they work, and the best practices for keeping your digital assets secure. Let's begin by understanding what a crypto wallet is and how it functions. A crypto wallet is not a physical wallet that holds your digital coins. That's a common misconception. Instead, it's a digital tool that stores your access keys. These keys are crucial for accessing and managing your cryptocurrencies. Imagine it like this. Your cryptocurrencies are stored on a vast, public ledger called the blockchain. This blockchain is like a public record of all transactions. Your crypto wallet with your unique keys allows you to interact with this blockchain and authorize transactions. Without your keys, you cannot access or use your cryptocurrencies. There are two types of keys, public and private. Think of your public key as your account number and your private key as your PIN. You can share your public key with others to receive cryptocurrencies. However, your private key is secret and should never be shared with anyone. Now let's delve deeper into the world of public and private keys to understand how they ensure secure transactions. Public and private keys work together like a lock and key system. When you want to receive crypto, you give your public key to the sender. They then use this key to create a transaction that only you, with your corresponding private key, can unlock. This ensures that only the rightful owner of the private key can access and spend the associated cryptocurrency. The technology behind this system is called cryptography, which guarantees the security and integrity of your transactions. Your private key is the most critical element of your crypto wallet. Losing it is like losing access to your physical wallet and all its contents. Therefore, keeping your private key safe and secure is paramount. Now that we've covered the basics of keys, let's explore the different types of crypto wallets available. Hot and cold wallets. Section 4. Hot versus cold wallets. Choosing the right safe for your crypto. Crypto wallets come in two main flavors, hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, offering convenience for frequent transactions. These are typically software wallets on your computer or mobile device, or web-based wallets accessed through your browser. Hot wallets are like your everyday wallet, convenient for small, frequent transactions. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline, providing maximum security for large holdings. These are typically hardware devices that resemble a USB drive. Cold wallets are like your safe at home, where you keep your most valuable possessions. Choosing the right wallet depends on your individual needs and risk tolerance. Hot wallets are convenient for daily transactions, while cold wallets offer maximum security for large, long-term investments. Section 5. Setting up your crypto wallet. A step-by-step guide to security. Setting up your crypto wallet is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide to getting started. First, choose your wallet type. Decide whether you need a hot wallet for convenience or a cold wallet for maximum security. Research and select a reputable wallet provider that aligns with your requirements. Next, download and install. If you choose a software or mobile wallet, download it from the official website or app store. Ensure you are downloading from a trusted source to avoid malicious software. Then, create your wallet. Follow the instructions to create a new wallet. You'll be prompted to create a strong password and will be given a seed phrase. Store your seed phrase securely. Your seed phrase is a series of words that act as a backup for your wallet. Write it down on a piece of paper and store it in a safe place. Never store your seed phrase digitally. Finally, transfer your crypto. If you already own crypto, you can transfer it to your new wallet using your public address. Remember, never share your private key with anyone. By following these steps, you can set up your crypto wallet securely and start your journey into the world of digital assets. Section 6. Protecting your digital assets, security risks, and best practices. While crypto wallets offer a secure way to store your digital assets, it's crucial to be aware of potential security risks and follow best practices to protect your investments. Common security risks include phishing attacks, malware, and SIM swapping. Be wary of fake websites and emails impersonating legitimate crypto services. Always double-check the URL and email address before entering your login credentials. Malicious software can steal your private keys and compromise your wallet. Only download software from trusted sources and use reputable antivirus software. Attackers can gain control of your phone number and access your accounts. Enable two-factor authentication that doesn't rely on SMS. Best practices for security include using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, avoiding public Wi-Fi, and double-checking transactions. Create complex and unique passwords for all your accounts, including your crypto wallet. Add an extra layer of security by using two-factor authentication. This requires you to enter a unique code from your authentication app, in addition to your password. Public Wi-Fi networks can be insecure. Avoid accessing your crypto wallet or making transactions while connected to public Wi-Fi. Always double-check the recipient's address and the amount before confirming any transaction. Once a transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, it's irreversible. By following these security measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of your digital assets being compromised. Remember, your private key is the key to your crypto kingdom. Keep it safe, and you'll be well on your way to navigating the world of cryptocurrencies securely.